Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, quality, condition, action. Examples: person, Ravi; place, Delhi; thing, table; idea, joy. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or other pronoun. Examples: us, he, she, they, and them. Preposition. A preposition links nouns, pronouns, and phrases within a sentence. Examples: about, over, on, and in. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Examples: they talked loudly. She danced beautifully. Adjective. An adjective describes the qualities or states of being of nouns. Examples: rainy, fast, huge, and silly. Verb. A verb is a word that shows an action or doing. Examples: sing, eat, play, and swim. Conjunction. A conjunction links words, phrases, and clauses. Examples: and, yet, while, but, and for. Interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings. Examples: hey, yuck, ouch, wow.